All right, this is the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Seattle. It's the king room. I'm in the Olympic Tower, so I imagine there's other towers available. Some storage, I guess, there. So breakfasts available 7 a.m. till 10 a.m. Charging facilities there. The taxi ride from the airport here, so Seattle International Airport, to the hotel was around $75 for an Uber XL. When you do land, you'll need to take the you'll need to cross over the air bridge to the parking garage, and it's on the 3rd floor. It's quite clearly signposted. So you've got a desk. Complimentary coffee, tea, and water. There's also a small fridge for you to use. We've got the ironing board and safe, along with an extra duvet. I guess you need it here. It's very cold. Outside, and the bathroom. Towels and whatnot down there. The refillable bits. Well, that feels something from a horror film. Interesting. And that's it. This is the 8th floor, by the way. So I'm in room 830, sorry, not 810, which is here.